So I don't think there was a very strong distinction between the preparation. I was more focused on CLAT because obviously there are more number of seats and I would be very frustrated. I would think कि मैं सब सही कर रही हूँ. I analyze, I work on my mistakes and still my scores are very stagnated. But then again, I thought कि मैं सब follow कर रही हूँ, so ultimately result कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा. Practice every day and don't get scared. Don't antagonize maths कि ये section तो मुझसे कभी होगा ही नहीं. Just like start with easy questions, gradually develop the difficulty of questions you're doing and manage your time with maths.
Okay, hi everyone. We have Nandini Gupta with us. Nandini is a student at NPLC, and the reason Nandini is sitting with me at the moment, it's just we have to discuss because Nandini is All India rank 43 in ALET 2026. So congratulations, Nandini.
Thank you, sir.
Very well deserved success. I have seen you working hard. And it's not about working hard, you also have been a good student always, even at your school, what I have heard of. So Nandini, this was a very well deserved success. So before we move ahead, before we delve into to understand what challenges, how was your course of preparation, how exactly, so that most of the students get benefited. So just a little intro about you would have sufficed.
So hi everyone, my name is Nandini Gupta. I'm a student at Amity International School, Saket. I'm from the humanities stream and I joined NPLC in December 2024.
Okay. I remember, Nandini, the day of your joining as well. So Nandini, you had humanities, right? So, and you joined, I think you were done with your 11th December you joined, right?
Yeah.
So it's not that you joined right after 10th. You joined when you were in December of 11th.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when did you finalize that you wish to do law ahead?
So throughout 11th, I was contemplating whether this was a path I wanted to go with, and by November or December, I was pretty sure. So yeah, my parents enrolled me in NPLC.
I remember. So Nandini, ये बताओ मुझे, ठीक है, मतलब ये इसलिए मैं इस बात को हाईलाइट किया क्योंकि तुमने लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर 2024 में यू ज्वाइन, सो यू मस्ट हैव टेकन 5-6 months टू डिसाइड कि मुझे लॉ करना है कि नहीं करना है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट आई चेक विद यू. नाउ नंदिनी, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, ठीक है, लॉ करना था, क्लैट ऑब्वियसली दैट्स द CLAT and ALET as the most obvious thing which comes to our minds कि मुझे करना है. नंदिनी, ALET All India rank 43 and ALET में जब पता होता है that number of seats are very limited, right? So and you were also preparing for CLAT and she has got a very good rank at CLAT as well. Now when you were preparing for CLAT and ALET, did you have that something in your mind कि मुझे ये मैं ALET के लिए पढ़ रही हूँ और ये मैं CLAT के लिए पढ़ रही हूँ, या फिर you followed one path which was valid for all, उसी से CLAT भी निकला और ALET भी निकला, और were you clear about कि नहीं मुझे ALET जाना है या फिर मैं ALET के लिए तैयारी करूँगी?
So I don't think there was a very strong distinction between the preparation. I was more focused on CLAT because obviously there are more number of seats and more scope, but I think the preparation was pretty similar for both of them throughout.
It was mostly the same. Yeah. So I just, of course, I understand, right? But it is for the viewers to understand कि क्या करना है, because बहुत लोग कहेंगे मैं तो सिर्फ CLAT के लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ, ALET का क्या होगा, या फिर मैं सिर्फ ALET के लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ क्या. So there is no watertight distinction between the two. When you prepare for one, second जो है automatically cover होता रहता है. थोड़ा बहुत strategically आपको अपना approach बदलना होता है. In fact, mindset अलग होना होता है जब when you write ALET vis-a-vis CLAT, right? Okay, great. So Nandini, All India rank 43 ALET. Now ALET is a very standard exam, right? CLAT का एक अपना. How many mocks did you write?
So I think about 150 CLAT mocks and 50 to 60 ALET mocks.
Okay, so 150 CLAT mocks and 50 to 60 ALET mocks. सो मॉक देते थे, इट वुड हैव बीन कि मॉक में स्कोर्स कम भी आए, ज़्यादा भी आया, नीचे भी करा, ये हुआ, एंड फाइनली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 43. सो आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर जर्नी कि 43 इज अ वेरी गुड रैंक. सो ये बताओ कि जब लो स्कोर्स होता था उस वक्त क्या होता था मेंटली, क्या सोचते थे?
I would be very frustrated. I would think कि मैं सब सही कर रही हूँ. I analyze, I work on my mistakes, and still my scores are very stagnated. But then again, I thought कि मैं सब follow कर रही हूँ, so ultimately result कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही. So that
मतलब
motivated
ये
me.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन कॉज करता है कि व्हेन आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, व्हाई आर द स्कोर्स नॉट टर्निंग माय वे. मैं जैसा चाहता हूँ वैसा, ये वो एग्जाम है नहीं. यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड, वी हैव टुगेदर सीन सो मेनी टाइम्स योर स्कोर्स हैव गॉन लो, लेकिन फाइनली 43 बिकॉज यू आर कंसिस्टेंट. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की टू सक्सेस. यू विल हैव टू बी इन द प्रोसेस. अ लो मार्क स्कोर डजंट मीन कि मैं छोड़ दूंगा या मैं अब उसको करूंगा, और आई एम नॉट मेंट फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन प्रोसेस. नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट. कंसिस्टेंट तो होना होता है. सो वो लो टाइम्स को कैसे हैंडल करती थे? Was there a strategy? जैसे मैं बताता हूँ, आज सवेरे जब मैं इंटरव्यू कर रहा था, किसने बोला मेरा यहाँ लो मॉक का स्कोर आता था, मैं फिर से जाता था घर पे, एक और मॉक लिख देता एंड इजियर मॉक, सो दैट मेरा वो मोरल हाई रहे. सो तुम क्या करते थे? तुम क्या घर पे जा करके मम्मी पापा तो क्या हो रहा है? What was your strategy? सबका अपना अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने का, वेंट आउट करने का तरीका होता है. What was your strategy?
So every Wednesday, Thursday, we used to write our mocks together. So we would go upstairs and we would talk कि कितना गंदा mock गया है, मेरे scores बढ़ ही नहीं रहे. So half an hour, 1 hour, we would talk and get all our frustration out, and then I would go home and start with a fresh mind.
Okay, great. So अब मुझे ये बताओ, considering you have done very well at CLAT as well, मतलब 300, what's the rank?
391.
391. It's a very good rank. So it's just that वो 43 के सामने में थोड़ा सा वो दिख रहा है कि पता नहीं 43 के सामने में it doesn't look that good. 391. Had your A-Late score not been 43, still I would have called and interviewed you, right? So because for me 391 is a big achievement. अब ये बताओ नंदिनी, A-Late का जो पेपर होता है वो बहुत एनालिटिकल सेंट्रिक होता है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो एनालिटिकल के लिए कैसे हैंडल कर रहे थे? वे यू प्रैक्टिसिंग या फिर क्लैट में ही एनालिटिकल देखा? सो डिड यू बिकम हैप्पी कि ये तो मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया, क्योंकि तुम्हारा ह्यूमैनिटीज है, तो ये मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया या वीक एरिया, फिर क्रिटिकल देख करके दुखी हो गए, क्या हुआ?
So analytical and quant was something I struggled with throughout my preparation. So I would practice maths every day around 1 to 2 hours. And even with analytical, whenever we got it on target, I would do the worksheets and all the exercises in RS Agarwal end to end. So because I needed a lot of practice, it was definitely not my strong suit.
Yes. So you did well when this paper was like pretty maths and analytical centric, right? Or A-Late में तो analytical has always been a portion they test you on. Still, you being a humanities section, being one who was struggling with analytical, you did well, right? So that shows the amount of consistency and the amount of hard work you have put in for maths. And the way you told that you used to prepare 1 hour of maths every day, so that is very significant, right? So Nandini, ये बताओ सबसे बुरा पक्ष, the saddest part तो नहीं बोलेंगे, the most खतरनाक part or something which you troubled you the most, was it maths or GK?
I think it was maths. GK was very easy section for me. I think that is not something you hear very often.
Okay.
So I was very good at memorizing. So once I learned it, it stayed with me throughout. So
you're saying that you were comfortable with GK, maths was an issue for you?
Yeah.
GK was not an issue.
No. When I used to do GK, it took me a lot of time to memorize the PDFs and go through all the notes, but it still came easier to me than maths.
Okay, I got it. So basically maths, so Nandini might be treated as an example for everybody who struggles with maths and the analytical part, right? And जिनका memorize करने का part बहुत अच्छा है still. So the only, the way out, any advice for people who struggle with maths? I think you're the best one.
So practice every day and don't get scared. Don't antagonize maths की ये section तो मुझसे कभी होगा ही नहीं. Just like start with easy questions, gradually develop the difficulty of questions you're doing, and manage your time with maths. I used to take a lot of time with maths. मेरा आधा घंटा पेपर का मैथ्स में ही चला जाता था, बट मेरी रीडिंग स्पीड was decent, so I could complete all the sections. But maths के लिए time management is also very important.
I got it. So maths को तुमने basically, and तुम्हारा CLAT में maths कितना सही हुआ?
So I attempted 8 questions and I got all of them correct.
All of them correct. So wow. So that would have given you a strong push.
Yeah, but AR is where I lost.
Yeah. Okay. But A-Late में ये सब चीज, A-Late का एग्जाम कैसा गया नंदनी? What the score for A-Late?
132.5.
So 132.50 मतलब बहुत अच्छा गया होगा पेपर.
Yeah.
So what happened? What was those 2 hours?
So I like before the exam मैंने सोचा कि जो भी मैंने क्लाट में गलतियाँ किया वो मैं A-Late में नहीं करूँगी. Throughout the paper I did not think of the outcome. I was just like कि मुझे ये टाइम पर ख़त्म करना है and I need to stay calm throughout the paper. So and once I started doing it, everything was very easy. बहुत easily flow बन रहा था and I finished quite early. I finished half an hour early.
Half an hour early.
Yeah.
Yeah, even Siddhant told me 20 minutes पहले मैं पेपर खत्म करके बैठ गया था. Right. So half an hour early. अच्छा, got it. Nandini, now tell me something. In those 2 hours of CLAT as well as A-Late, anything you regret कि अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया होता तो मेरा रैंक इससे भी बेटर होगा. 43 is a massive rank A-Late में. अगर मैं ये नहीं करती तो आज 43.4 होता, या फिर goes with CLAT as well कि अगर मैं CLAT में ये गलती नहीं किया होता तो मेरा प्रिपरेशन या फिर मेरा मार्क्स और भी ऊपर होता. Anything you think could have been avoided which you missed?
I think overthinking during the paper was one problem, and then with CLAT when I saw so much of AR I got frazzled, so and I was panicking a bit, so that could have been improved.
So ये बहुत obviously it's when you get a surprise like this, तो obviously अगर कुछ ऐसा चीज आ जाए जो तुम्हारा फोटे नहीं है, मतलब which you consider is not your forte, तो फिर वो थोड़ा इरिटेट तो कर ही देता है कि ये क्या आ गया. दैट इज ऑलवेज बट आई थिंक यू स्टिल रिमेन कंपोज, अदरवाइज ये रैंक भी नहीं आता. हैड यू बीन एकदम जिटर हो जाता है कि भाई ये क्या ही आ रहा है, सो इट वुड नॉट हैव हैपेंड. ग्रेट. सो नंदिनी, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 43, यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मेनी. एंड चूंकि हम लोग दिल्ली में हैं, सो तुमको पता है यहाँ पे NLU दिल्ली को लेके कितना ऑब्सेशन है. लाइक एवरीबडी वांट्स कि भाई दिल्ली हो जाए. तो नाउ टेल मी कि any advice you have for people who are writing the exam, especially in terms of A-Late for next year?
So A-Late is a very lengthy exam, 150 questions. मेरा end तक I would never be able to complete my mocks. I would leave at least 5 questions. So time management is extremely important, and practicing a lot of critical and analytical for A-Late specifically. So yeah.
So yeah, basically critical को we can't leave. Reason being, नंदिनी, इस बार हो सकता है मान लो CLAT में A-Late analytical आया है. इस साल it's an obvious thing that everybody would practice loads of analytical. और next time पता चला पूरा का पूरा critical आ गया. So basically you can't leave either of the sides, right? नहीं, great नंदिनी, मतलब it was great talking to you. मतलब I have seen you grooming as a person, as a student here. मतलब I'm so happy that we could contribute a bit in your preparation, but you have done really well. मतलब all India rank 43 लाना is something which actually shows मतलब कि that you have actually put in. And last में जब रैंक आ जाता है तो सब कुछ अपने आप अच्छा लगने लगता है, सब कुछ पॉजिटिव लगने लगता है, सब कुछ वर्थ लगने लगता है, राइट? बट आई एम श्योर अब तो तुम्हारा बोर्ड का एग्जाम्स होगा. व्हाट इज द वे फॉरवर्ड नाउ?
So I have pre-board starting in 2 weeks, so I'm
so you are preparing for that. So अभी भी चैन नहीं मिला है, अभी भी you have to keep studying, right? And उसके बाद फिर बोर्ड का एग्जाम होगा. So I'm sure you will do very well at boards as well. So Nandini, thank you for coming. We'll be celebrating. We'll be celebrating it in first week of January, या फिर तुम लोग सबका प्री बोर्ड्स का प्लानिंग पर देख लेंगे. We'll celebrate it. बनता है, it's a grand success. और आई थिंक इतना मेहनत करने के बाद कुछ आता है तो उसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए, राइट? सो नंदिनी, ग्रेट फॉर कमिंग हियर, थैंक यू सो मच एंड विल मीट अगेन, राइट? बाय नंदिनी।